Hey guys, akwazi uba mina ngeke think about this. Ushwabi akwazi uhlumeza uMaNgcobo like this and then always get away with it. Yabona this time around ngifuna uMaNgcobo athi mangabe ephuma elajeleleyana aphume awuthole enye indawo yokuhlala, ahamba uhlala nomunye umuntu noma ungaraji kanje. In fact, I want uMaNgcobo noNgaraji to get married like next week. Nolo msana wenzele between uShobane noZethu. I want uMaNgcobo noNgaraji to get married and then uMaNgcobo ashiyele uShwabi lo yakho because what the hell is going on? Why would uMaNgcobo go through so much difficulties because of uShwabi alone? Because I understand ukuthi uShwabi akenzanga lutho this time, but ngeke naye he's a contributing factor to all of this, and I want to talk about that and more here in this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scrolling down and so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. Now each and every time uShwabi mangabe boshiwe, even back when he used to be arrested by uSifiso, wakade bosha namhlanje aphume the following day, but uMaNgcobo yena kumele aboshwe ahambe ukuhlala ejele. And in fact uCaptain lapha elajeleleleyana umngani kaShwabi, why uShwabi ngamkhipha uMaNgcobo lapha? Why uMaNgcobo kumele stuck lapha for a whole night aphuse lo mshado womngani wakhe that she's been planning all this time? uShwabi ukhohlakele. Nanokuthi, why is it so difficult for him to just believe uMaNgcobo? Because this whole thing doesn't really make sense. Tell me, wazofika lengane le manje kufike yonke into ishintshe lapha and uShwabi naye agijima ukhola lengane yakhe lebhedayo and not believe uMaNgcobo. uMaNgcobo umuntu who's been there for him all this time. And izinto ezibhedayo uMaNgcobo amxolele, amshaye uMaNgcobo amxolele. No man, I think this time around uMaNgcobo mabephuma laphayana, she needs to move out to Shwabi's house, ahamba ufuna indawo yakhe yokuhlala endlini yakhe, and then abesahlala ukanabisene imali mos manje useyiphoyisa, meaning that he's on the same caliber as aboSifiso manje. Like uyi-rich guy, uyasebenza, got a permanent job and everything, so akahambeke manje awushade uMaNgcobo, ahlale noMaNgcobo, baphile happily ever after uMaNgcobo aphumula umsana lo kaShwabi. I know I'm not supposed to be saying this because I'm a gent, but so do comment down in the comment section your thoughts. So if you enjoyed content here in this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.